Corwin, can you walk to Mama? Good girl. Are you? I'm gonna make you keep going. I'm going down the hall. So you're going down the hall. Are you good at walking? Oh. Get up and start going again. It's okay. You're very good at walking. Come here. You can do it. Yay! You good girl. Are you going to tackle Jake? Ah! Okay, come here. Oh! Jake scared you with his bark. Was that scary? Okay, come here. It's okay, you can keep coming. What's he barking at? Is the mailman coming? Come on, you can walk. Good job, honey. Are you gonna go up that step? Oh my. Can you make it? Oh. It's okay, keep walking. Oh, wipe out.